Happy New Year, everyone. So we're just going to list or itemize a few things that we need to get into so that our 2022 rather, can be the best of the best. So let's get right to it. Number one, swap your New Year resolution with a vision board. I'm sure you've heard of the word vision board somewhere or visualization. There's different name for it. So if you don't know how this works, this is how it works. You look for something that you would love to become or something that you desire, either a particular building or home, or a particular family, pictures. You get the pictures and then you cut them out of a magazine or you get them on the internet and print it, then you cut it out, put it on a cardboard. So this cardboard is going to be full length, then you put these pictures there and you put it where you can see them, maybe when you're dressing up, or if you have a wardrobe, paste it on your wardrobe. As you're dressing up, you're seeing it, or as you're picking your clothes every day to go out, you see them. So this is what vision board is. What it does is it helps your mind to see the future you want to become. As a result, it has a way of transforming your everyday routine, because your mind is registered that I want to have this home, I want to have this family, I want to have this house. And that should not be the end of it. There is the goal setting part of it. However, this vision board is so powerful that people that use it 5 years, 10 years down the line, they see the exact thing that they have pasted on their wall. So it is very powerful. It's something that really transcends human understanding in that sense. Your mind just begins to walk towards that thing that you're seeing. It's a very powerful thing. So get a vision board. Make sure that you have something that you are visualizing, what you want to become. Life does not live in vacuum. Life does not exist in vacuum. Rather, you have to have something that you are aiming for. That way, your mind begins to tell your body, we are going to get this. This is what we should do. Quickly to the next one. Number 2, register for a public speaking class. Register for a public speaking class. I cannot overemphasize this. Public speaking is going to help you do things that you don't imagine yourself doing. There are so many people that, life happened to them. A lot of us out there, we are facing a particular trauma. And for those that didn't even face trauma, some are just shy for some reason that they don't know. Maybe they've spoken openly before and they were shut down, or they expressed themselves before, maybe when they were young and they were shut down. So there are a lot of people out there who can't really express themselves in public spaces. I'm telling you today that one of the best things you can do for yourself for 2022 is to register for a public speaking class. You're going to have mentors, guardians who can help you navigate through your fears and your reservations about speaking publicly. And the good thing about speaking publicly is you are not just helping yourself, you're going to be helping others. There are so many things that you have come through or you have overcome, so to say, or experiences that you've gone through that you wouldn't want somebody else to go through. And the only way you can help somebody else is when you speak. You can speak graciously about how you escape a particular addiction, or let's even leave all these personal things. Let's talk about the business side of it. How are you going to talk to people about your business if you are shy, if you can't talk in public? You have to get to the level where you're comfortable in your skin, in your voice, and pass your message. Everyone has a voice and everyone has a message. And don't let yours die in 2022. get to register in a public speaking class, and please pay for it. It is valuable when you have when you invest. It's valuable when you invest your time and your finance in something that really is going to bring value to you. So invest in public speaking in 2022. There's an awesome array of speakers that I know that are doing greatly. Let's start with Fela Durotoye, Bankole Williams, and those are just the ones that come to my head right now. Please find a way to register yourself for a public speaking class. Number 3, believe that there is a higher power. This is very important to me because it's something I've tested and I know that there's a higher power. You cannot really carry everything on your own. You have to understand that God is in control of things around you. Have you ever worked on something so hard and you didn't get the results, and then with just one little tweak, something just happened? You have to believe that there is a power at work within you and even outside of you. It's okay to work hard. However, there is a icing that comes with that working hard that makes the whole cake beautiful, and everybody will be like, wow, what is this? That extra is God, is something bigger than you that is handling it or that made that happen. So you have to believe that you are too small to think you can handle this world. If you permit me to say that, you don't have the capacity to feel like you created yourself or make things happen for yourself. In other words, there are really no self-made. There are people that God has orchestrated around you to make things happen for you, to get you to where you are right now. You didn't make the money yourself. If you didn't get favored, for people to do business with you, I'm not sure you'll be where you are, or to even give you opportunities. I'm not sure we'll be where we are right now. At least for me, I'm not sure I'll be where I am right now. Thank God for doors of favors that's open on many levels. Number 4, study to show yourself approved. This part is more of reading books, and readers are leaders. If you read, you have more information from your within that can go outside there or to help you do your work better. Maybe ebooks or physical books. If you don't have the time for it, maybe because you are moving around a lot, there are audio books. Some of the physical books that you see have audio books. So get the audio books, download them on your phone, and digest them as you move through your work and your workplace. It helps a lot. One word that you read, or one page that you read, or a particular word that you listen to can transform everything, or open your eyes, or break the door that has been closed down to you in your business or in your family. So 2022, get audiobooks, or if you have the time, sit down and read books. At least if you've never done it before, read one book in a year. I mean, it's going to be a win for you. I don't know, that people read 5 books in a month. So it's not a race, okay? However, you have to start somewhere. The other suggestion I can give is you don't have to read voluminous book. You can start with something like HBR, Harvard Business Review, that they sell at a very low amount. In Nigeria, I think it's around it's very small. It's like half of A5. I think it should be around 700 or 800. I'm not sure. And they have very great information there: negotiation, networking, communication in the office place, a lot of things made with great scientific research by the people in Harvard. So even if it's that you want to get, go on their website, go in a store, get it. All right. Number 5, intensify what worked in 2021. You've heard of the phrase, there's no need to reinvent the wheel, right? So you can only make it better for the purpose of what you want to use it for. So if something worked for you in 2021, why not just intensify? It only makes sense. Intensify what worked for you. This thing worked, you made more money, or you had a better relationship, or you were happier when you did this. Intensify it. Just intensify whatever you see work in your life in 2021. It could be you gave more. It could be you visited your families more. It could be you called your families more. It could be you went out more, you networked, or you made cold calls more. Whatever worked for you, intensify. Maybe you built a website and the website got you more clients. Then intensify on that. Do some advert that will get people to that website again and do more on the website. Why not work on what works? If something is good, make it better. Number 6, don't beat yourself down for too long when you make a mistake. I have seen this play out so many times in my life where something happens and I am like, do I need this in my life right now? What is going on? And but thankfully, I tend to snap out of things quickly, but not everybody has this ability to snap out of things when they make mistakes. So I am talking, if you are the kind of person where when you make a mistake, you get weighed down, first thing, surround yourself with people that can talk to you and make you understand that, see, everybody makes mistakes and our mistakes does not define us. So if you make mistake in 2021, don't worry about it. If you made a mistake early 2022, it's okay. Just make sure you learn from it and surround yourself with materials, people that can help you learn from that situation and get better. However, mistakes does not end. Because we are human, we keep transforming, we keep changing, and we keep growing. So that process in its own can create room for making wrong decisions. So mistakes are part of growth in life. Sometimes make sure it doesn't weigh you down. Don't put on your back the mountain you are meant to climb. Learn from it. Apologize if you have to. Go for counseling, go for therapy if you have to, if it's up to that level, but you have to move on. How does it help you if you don't learn from the mistake and move on? It doesn't help you. It doesn't help people that are looking up to you. Make sure you learn and you move on from it. This is a bonus, and I think we all need it. Number 7, have an accountability partner. Sometimes distractions come. When distraction comes, we tend to lose focus on our goals, and sometimes we derail from the vision. But when we have an accountability partner where maybe your friend, your best friend, or a colleague in the office that you can confide in and tell the person, okay, what are your plans for the first quarter or the first half of 2022? I would like to be your accountability partner while you are mine. Are you interested in such? And you tell them your goals, written, sent via email, and then the breakdown of, okay, this is what I'm doing this week, this is what I'm doing next week. And the person can easily come back next week and say, have you done this? Why have you not done it? Okay, what are you going to do next? Is there a way I can help you? Something like that, where somebody is tracking your progress. In return, you are tracking the person's progress too. So at the end of the day, you both grow into the person you want to become. And when there is accountability, there is room for progress. But when there's no accountability, there's always procrastination, there's postponement of things, and there's distractions, there's missing the goalpost, and a lot of things can happen when you are not accountable, especially when you are still a work in progress in terms of discipline to get things done. If you easily make excuses, then accountability partner is for you in 2022. You are going to be shocked how much you can achieve if somebody is following up on you graciously. I mean, they can, it could be a coach, it could be a mentor, it could be a senior colleague. I mean, for some people, when direction is coming from a senior colleague, they take it serious. Or when they know they have to report to a senior colleague what they are doing, they take it serious than when they are reporting to their own colleague. Okay, so it depends on what works for you. However, try and get someone that you can be accountable to. That way, it helps you grow faster and quicker and helps you achieve your goal most importantly. So that's the bonus I have for you. Thank you for listening this far. I hope this helps. I hope 2022 is going to be a massive, massive year for you. I pray that 2022 is going to be a year of great abundance and great achievements for you. And thank you again for listening. I will see you again some other time. Opeyemi Beckley here, and I'm out.